Hey everyone, welcome to The Analytical Coding. In today's video, we will explore one of the most powerful features of Power BI, that is bookmarks. So as usual, firstly let's understand what are bookmarks. So bookmarks allow us to capture and save specific views of our report. So these views can include filter selections, slicer states, visual arrangements and many more. So let me clearly and simply show you what bookmark is. So let us choose the region in this slicer as North America. And now let us take a snapshot of this report. We are having this snapshot. And now let us change the filter to the South America. And now we can see the details in this visual for South America. And now when I open this snap, it is completely for the North America. So whatever filter I choose here in the region is not applicable for this particular snap because we have captured that before. So that is what bookmark is. Similarly, whenever we create bookmark and then whatever filters we apply later, and when we choose that bookmark again, it will return to the same state when we captured it, like North America snap. So assume bookmark as a snap that capture the current state of a page and allow users to return to that state using the report action. And now let us see how to create a bookmark. So for that, we need to go to the View tab, and under View tab, we have to select the Bookmarks pane. And we have to adjust the visuals, filters or slicers to the desired state. So here I am selecting the North America and I am going to create this bookmark for the North America. So now let me click on add in the bookmark and change the name of the bookmark to the North America. Now we have to test this report. Let us clear these selections and let us click on this North America bookmark. And you can see that here. So whenever the bookmark I have clicked on North America, it is getting filtered for that particular region, right? So let me clear it again. See here we are having for all the region. And whenever I click on this bookmark, you can see that it is filtered for the North America. So because we have captured it when it is selected for the North America. So this is about creating the bookmark. So let us see the magic we can do with bookmarks. That is some of the practical applications of bookmarks. So first one is we can save bookmarks for a specific filter state like regions, which we have created now, North America bookmark. And next one is we can toggle between different visuals. So let us see how can we do that. So let me clear these selections. So first we are having bar chart for sales by product category, right? So now let us click on the pie chart and let us adjust that pie chart to the same size of the bar chart so that it will be displayed. Okay. Now in this pie chart, I am going to add sales by region. So for that, I am adding the region and also sales amount. So now this is the sum of sales amount by region. Now open this bookmarks pane and also open this selection pane. So here in the selection pane, it displays all the visuals that are present in the report page. So here it is the sum of sales amount. Now what I am going to do is, so whenever we click on bar chart, it should display only bar chart. And whenever I click on pie chart, it should only display the pie chart. So let us see how can we do that. So let me click on the add bookmark and change that to bar chart. So whenever we click on bar chart, we should not see this pie chart. So for that, we have to hide this particular pie chart. And now you can see that pie chart is not visible, only bar chart is visible. And now let us update this bar chart. Now let us create another bookmark. Let us rename this bookmark to the pie chart. And let us hide this bar chart and unhide this pie chart. Now let us click on the three dots and update that pie chart. So now when we click on bar chart bookmark, it displays the bar chart. And when I click on pie chart, it displays the pie chart. See, you can see that we can toggle between the visuals using the bookmark, right? And now let us see how to use buttons to navigate to the different bookmarks, right? So here our requirement is we will be adding a button here so that whenever user clicks on that, the user will be navigated to the pie chart. Again, on the pie chart, we will be displaying another button, and whenever user clicks on that button, they will be navigated to this bar chart. So now let us see how we will do that. So for that, in the insert tab, click on buttons and then click on blank button. And now drag that button here and change that button name to sales by region. Now, in the style options of the format button, switch on the text and in the text, add the text sales by region. Okay. Now adjust the button to display a whole text. And now we have to switch on the action for that button and bookmark, and we have to choose the bookmark, that is pie chart. So whenever user clicks on that sales by region, they should be navigated to the pie chart. Now let us click on the sales by region, and here you can see that pie chart is getting displayed. But this button should only be visible for the bar chart, right? So there is no use of making this button visible in the pie chart. So for that, I am hiding this visual. But again, in the pie chart, we need a button to navigate to the bar chart. So again, let me click on buttons, blank button, and place it here, adjust its size so that we can add the complete text. And in the format button, switch on the text and add the text. Sales by category. For the sales by category, we have to switch on the action and click on bookmark and change that to the bar chart, right? So, and we have to change the button name here so that we will not be getting confused of what are these options. So sales by category. Okay, so this sales by category should be visible in the pie chart and sales by region should be hidden. And we have to update this pie chart because whenever we captured this pie chart before, we do not have these buttons. But now we have added it. So we have to again update the pie chart. And now when we go to the bar chart, you can see there are two buttons being overlapped. So now here we need to hide this category button because sales by region is for pie chart. Now again, as we added and hidden those buttons, we have to again update the bar chart. So now this is perfect. So when I click on the pie chart, you can see this. When I click on bar chart, you can see this. So now let us test the buttons. So when I click on sales by region, I am getting this particular pie chart. Now when I click on sales by category, I can see the bar chart. So this is how we can use buttons to navigate to the bookmarks. So now we have seen how powerful bookmarks can be. Have you ever wondered how they actually work behind the scenes? So in the next video, I will break down the key bookmark options like data, display, current page, all visuals and selected visuals so you can master them like a pro. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated. And if you have any doubts or questions, drop them in the comments. I will be happy to help. See you in the next video. Thank you.